Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through recovering a suspended Twitch account and what steps you should take next. First, understand why your account was suspended by checking the email Twitch sent you. It explains the reason and suspension length. If you believe the suspension was a mistake, go to the Twitch support website and submit an appeal. Log in if possible, choose Account Issues, then select Suspension Appeal. Clearly explain your situation, stay polite, and provide honest details. Do not submit multiple appeals, as that can delay the process. While waiting, review Twitch community guidelines to avoid future issues. If the suspension is temporary, wait until it expires and follow the rules carefully afterward. If approved, Twitch will restore access. Being respectful, patient, and informed gives you the best chance of recovering your Twitch account successfully. Subscribe the channel for more videos.